So I'm going to share with you a little bit of tough love here. Don't outsmart yourself. Don't go, yeah, Robert doesn't know what he's talking about. I'm going to put products on my social media. Yeah, and watch how your social media account gets banned. Okay? I'm trying to keep you out of trouble. So if you want to work smart and you want to make money based on my 25 years of doing this, now obviously I've been doing this longer than social media has been out there. But here's how you work smart on social media. So watch this. So I basically want to draw traffic to my website. So here's a chef's best cup of coffee recipe that I want to share on my social media. How do I do that? Well, it's as simple as this. I click right here. It takes me to that page. Actually, I want to switch gears here for a second. Based on my experience doing this, people like to see the 10 best, the 20 best. So I'm going to put in here 10 best coffee recipes. Now again, if you make changes to this, you have to update the changes. Now here's what I want you to get excited about. When you click on here to post this on your social media, Facebook in particular, again, I mentioned this before, do not post this on your profile page. Post this on a store that you own. I'm sorry, a Facebook page that you own. So I'm going to basically share this on a page that I manage. And call me silly, but I just happen to have a coffee, tea, snacks, recipe Facebook page. Now, do yourself a favor. If you really want to work smart, then don't just post things on social media. Engage your audience with questions like, hey, have you tried this recipe before? Or do you have your own family recipe? I cannot tell you how much traffic my students and I get from simple things like recipes. Okay, here's another example of this. Again, I'm working smart. Let's say you want to sell coffee machines. Do you think you're going to be successful selling a coffee machine on social media? No, it's not going to work. Want to post a coffee comparing machines, the 5 best coffee maker reviews. Here's another idea. Say you want to sell the Peloton or the NordicTrack high ticket item. Rather than post those products, post a NordicTrack spin cycle review. Again, get it from YouTube. Ride the coattails of YouTube and work smart. So if I come back here, I would basically put something like yada, 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 yada. Have you tried this recipe before? And I would always put in some kind of hashtag. Hashtag summer coffee recipe or whatever makes sense to you. Now, here's something I want you to get really, really excited about. When they click to watch this video, it's not going to take them to YouTube. It's going to take them to your coffee store or your website store or your home good product store. That's the advantage of being part of my system. Now, here's another thing I want to share with you, which is really important. My site comes with premium plugins. So one of the premium plugins you'll get is Yoast. Let me share with you how cool this is. If I click Edit Post, this is going to show me what the post would look like in a Google search. Now, you would put what's called metadata in here, but that's a very good looking post that would come up in mobile. This is what it would look like on desktop. And again, I have step-by-step videos. Once you sign up for my program, I will share with you how to work smart one step at a time. I'm here to help you every step of the way. But I can assure you, 100% none of this will happen if you choose to do nothing. So in the next video, I'm going to share with you how to tie this into your Google Webmaster Search Console and also how to tie this into Google Analytics. Because what's the point of having a website if you can't be found? What's the point of having a website if you can't keep track of your visitors, etc., etc., etc.? So we'll start doing this in our next video. I want you to get really excited about working smart, earning smart online with my proven method.